Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this look, I wanted to do two things. I wanted to play with some new products that we got, but I also wanted to use the new products in a quick, easy, pretty glam, affordable makeup routine. I was sent the UCANBE Fiesta Set to try and review, and I'm shook. It's like 30 some odd dollars on Amazon, and it performed much better than I thought it would. So this is our quick, easy glam Thanksgiving look. I intentionally used colors that a lot of palettes have, so that if you don't have this palette or you don't have one similar to it, I'm sure you have similar colors. The colors I used, a lot of palettes have. In the event you do not, it is literally browns with some like coppery shimmers. It is super simple. It is super pretty, and it's easy, and it looks like you put a lot of effort into it, like Thanksgiving. Oh my gosh, that's so true. Like Thanksgiving, you sit there and you put all of this effort into it, and if you're me, you put all of this like effort into cooking, and then it looks like crap. But the people that like order Thanksgiving, they put like no effort into it, and it looks amazing. I want to be that person. I don't want to cook this year. I wish I didn't have to cook this year. But hey, guess who's cooking this year? All right, guys. Enjoy this look. I hope you all have an amazing and blessed holiday. And for December, I have my favorites. I have product empties. Yeah, you know, I'm just gonna do a whole video dedicated to like products you can give to family and friends. All right, guys, enjoy the video and happy Thanksgiving. Okay, so today for my eye look, we're gonna be playing in the UCANBE Fiesta Set. I did get this sent to me for testing purposes. And it can be purchased on Amazon for like $32, I believe. But it comes with two eyeshadow palettes, an eyeliner. Okay, hold on, let me open it so you can see. The two palettes come here, an eyeliner, a beauty sponge, a mascara, and then a amazingly stunning lipstick. Like, I love this packaging. It's adorable. We're gonna use it today. But before we dive in, because I'm going to be using the Twilight palette, before we dive in, I opened the aromas earlier. Y'all. What does this look like to you? Does it look like this? Okay. I'm not going to speak on whether it is a dupe or not. It does look very similar. I'm not going to swatch it because I actually really want to give this palette to someone because it does look so similar. Yeah, okay. There's no use in me having two of the same palettes, or two excruciatingly similar palettes, I should say. But that palette They look very similar. Okay, so we are going to be using the Twilight and Dusk palette. I'm sure this is also similar to another palette. I don't know. I don't own that other palette, so I'm not going to speak on whether it is or not. So, also, I didn't purchase this because it looked like the Huda nude. Just saying, this was sent to me. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my beauty sponge here. I'm using my Morphe one before anyone asks. I love it. It's my baby. I'm going to make sure my eyelids are nice and even. And then I'm going to go into the shade, on a JS5 brush, I'm going to go into the shade Royal. Right here. I'm going to dust it all over my eye. So this is going to be a really quick, pretty look for Thanksgiving because, hey, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. So I wanted to do a really pretty, simple look for Thanksgiving. All right. So I'm going to go into, ooh, it's Thanksgiving. Let's go into Blazing, this shade right here. I'm going to keep it kind of neutral-ish, but pretty. I'm going to pop that all in my crease and just blend her up. I need a mirror. That's the only downfall. This palette does not have a mirror. Also, I haven't used it, so I don't know how it performs. But so far, it looks nice. I mean, the two shades I've used have worked out nicely. All right. This is actually very nice. I have zero complaints about this so far. All right. Using that same brush, let's go into Cosmo. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm really feeling like the browns for November. I've been doing a lot of looks with a lot of browns and a lot of golds. I don't know what is going on with me. I need to step out of this zone and start playing in some color before I get too comfortable. I think it's because when I think of fall, I'm just like, yes, I can wear smoky eyes and the, yeah, okay. But so far this palette's working out nicely. All right, not mad at it. I'm itchy, but I'm not mad at it. I don't know why I'm so itchy today. All right, using a JS6 brush. I don't want to take it too dark. Let's go into Saffron. Yeah, let's go into Saffron. And we'll use that to pop in our outer corner. Because I really don't want to take the look too dark. I want to keep it simple but pretty. We're just going to pop that on our outer corner. That's nice. Okay. I mean, the colors are performing nicely. This is not the first thing they have sent me. This is the second product I have gotten from them. So, I mean, I'm not too familiar with the brand. But at the same time, it's like, it's nice. Like, they're performing nicely. How well they wear, I can't answer. I'll try to use these palettes throughout the week and let you know. I mean, but it's pretty. Okay. Let's do this number. Take this brush. Yeah, flat brush. Okay. We're going to take a flat brush. There's so many pretty shimmers in this palette, but because I'm keeping it simple-ish, that's pretty. It's a little too dark though. That's also pretty. I'm kind of wanting, I mean, the shimmers are pretty. Not amber. Yes. Okay, we're going to use amber. This is amber. We are going to use amber. I'm just going to pop amber all over my lid. See if I need to spritz the brush or not. Nope. I'm glad I have powder on because with amber, there is some fallout. All right, so I did amber. What about blue moon? I mean blood moon. Yeah, we're gonna, okay. So I did amber in the inner corner, and I'm gonna do blood moon to blend it into saffron. That's pretty. Yeah, those colors melted together nicely. Okay, so let's try spritzing the brush and see how well that works. See if it plays better. So I dipped into amber. I mean, honestly, so far it looks about the same. No joke. I mean, it went on a little easier. Okay, a lot easier. But the payoff is pretty much the same. Except with blood moon. Okay. Now it looks the same. All right. So spritzing the brush doesn't do too much. All right, so for my lower lash line, keeping it simple, we are going to go into saffron. Yes, Mac. I hear you. Mac says hello, everybody. And I'm going to run that all along my lower lash line. Just do like a quick smoke. Not right now, baby. Okay. All right. Simple, easy, pretty. It is very pretty. Now, you can stop here or you can add a winged liner for the sake of trying out new products. I'm going to add a winged liner. This is the UCANBE Lock Color In liner. Let's see how she performs. Stop, Matt. She's cute. She's a little shiny, but she's cute. So the one thing I will say about this, it has a very, very, very fine tip. How long it will stay that fine of a tip, I don't know. I don't hate it though. It's actually nice. It's a little It's not as matte as I'm used to, but it's nice. Okay, let's go ahead and try the mascara. Ooh, it's a serious wand. I really feel like that didn't do anything. Okay. I don't hate it. I don't love it. In all seriousness. All right, let's try the lipstick. It's a pretty color. I'm going to go ahead and dust my bake off here. Let's throw on some blush. And then for highlighter, I'm going to use the Pink Sands from Huda Beauty. I'm going to use this shade today. Go ahead and set our face real quick. All in all, the Fiesta palette's actually pretty nice. I am not mad at it. All right, guys, thank you for joining the Fiesta set. I'm sorry. The lipstick is actually very pretty. I was kind of nervous. All right, guys. Here we have it using the Fiesta set from UCANBE. Again, you can order it on Amazon. I'm not mad at it. This is the second item they've sent me. The first one is this Magic Spell eyeshadow kit. Came with brushes. If you want to see a video on it, I can do a video on it. Let me know down in the comment section. But yeah, I'm not mad at it. This was easy and it's pretty and it's perfect for Thanksgiving. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.